Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to Sugar Plum.
Hi guys, welcome to another topic of Plum Talks. But before starting, I really want to thank you all for the amazing response that you've given me on my first vlog of Plum Talks. And if you want me to cover any topic of your own choice, please DM me or mention me in the comment section. I would definitely try to cover all the topics. So let's start with the today's topic, which is too crucial for some parents, and that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, commonly known as ADHD, and this has affects millions of children, often continues into adulthood. So the question is, how can we find that any kid is hyperactive or suffering from this disorder? There are ways. They often have trouble paying attention and display hyperactive and impulsive behaviors, of course, which in future affects the child relationship with family, friends and teachers. Most children are not checked for ADHD until they are at school age, but yeah, you can diagnose your child's behavior of hyperactive disorder as young as they are 4 years. Most of the parents, they get confused between autism and ADHD, but however, autism and ADHD are related in several ways, but ADHD is not in the autism spectrum. They have same symptoms in many symptoms, but yeah, it is not related to each other. Kids with ADHD, they experience speech delays, gross motor skills like walking, running, throwing, lifting, kicking, etc., and fine motor delays also, like not able to think and understand quickly, balancing and coordination. Let's start with the symptoms in toddlers. We have seen many toddlers being over fidgety, means that they are too restless and too uneasy, and they can't sit for long at one place, not even in the calm activities like eating and reading books. They often talk and make noise excessively, and running from toy to toy, and constantly moves around a lot. They also do not follow through on the instructions, and often do not seem to listen when asked or when spoke to directly. They also forget a lot of things in their daily activities. Treatment, to be honest, ADHD is a disorder that affects the brain and the behaviors, and there is no such cure for ADHD. But several options can help you manage their symptoms, like treatments ranges from behavioral intervention, kind of behavioral therapies, to prescribed medication. Like doctors prescribe the medicines. In many cases, medication alone has been an effective treatment for ADHD. But yes, these two treatments are not the only ones which will definitely help and treat the symptoms. I believe that as a parent, you have a huge influence over the child's treatment. Evidence shows that eating a healthy diet, getting plenty of exercise, and making other smart daily choices can help your child manage the symptoms of ADHD. And that means your child treatment actually can begin at home. Yeah, I have read somewhere that sometimes real superheroes lives in the hearts of the children fighting with big battles. So they just need your support, and especially the support from the society. And society should treat all the children equally.
Hey everyone, we are real superheroes.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again.